it all feels very much like a religion to me. Believers revel in the glorious revealed truth of it. Non-believers think they are crazy and maybe dangerous. I'm not a believer, but I'm intrigued. J.L. Collins, author of the famous stock series that later became one of the best personal finance books ever written, The Simple Path to Wealth, a true FI legend. This is J.L. Collins' thoughts on cryptocurrencies that was inspired by his blog post titled Collins on Crypto. I'm pretty sure you are aware of the euphoria that is going on around the world at the moment about cryptocurrencies and the potential of the blockchain technology to disrupt the financial system as we know it. It's something that I've shied away from covering on the channel so far, but recently I read a blog post from the godfather of the FI movement, J.L. Collins, so thought I'd share it with you guys. So here are J.L. Collins' thoughts on crypto. Is it a currency? Cryptos have been too volatile to be used as reliable currencies. People are very unlikely to spend something that they think is going to be worth dramatically more tomorrow, and people are unlikely to accept payment in something that might drop dramatically the next day, the exception being mostly for criminal activities, where the advantages of secrecy outweigh the issue of volatility. Will that change? Some are trying. Time will tell. For now, cryptos are speculations and potentially stores of wealth. Unlike a business or a piece of investment property, there is no intrinsic value in them. Like gold, buyers are hoping that in the future someone will pay more for it, known as the greater fool theory. So far, that's worked out rather well, but as we all should know, that is no guarantee for future performance. Are they an insurance against disaster? Some use cryptos as an insurance against a potential doomsday scenario. However, seeing as they rely on our energy grids and internet remaining intact and stable, physical gold may prove more useful in the case of an extreme civilization meltdown. Unless you need to be fleeing across the borders, that is. I guess it depends on the disaster that you are expecting. Is it too energy intensive? Major infrastructure and environmental concerns are being expressed as crypto can prove to be extremely energy intensive. This is still an ongoing debate, but as yet I have found the crypto folks unconvincing. Are they in the too complicated pile? These things are insanely complicated, at least for me. I've had them explained to me by smart people numerous times, and at best, I think I kind of maybe get the general idea, perhaps. But I don't believe in investing in things I don't understand. Which one to choose? There are new cryptocurrencies being created all the time. How do we know which one is going to be the real deal and be the one that's adopted mainstream going forward? Your guess is as good as mine. Will there be a government backlash? What about the concern of a governmental backlash, as or if these things begin to get real traction? Issuing currency is not just a public service, it is a major source of power, and we all know how unlikely it is that governments will roll over and relinquish their power. In the words of J.L. Collins, so would I invest? No. But I might speculate in one with a minor amount of money on the off chance it might explode on the upside. Remember, what is a minor amount of money to you might be a fortune to me, and vice versa. When you read Elon Musk has $5 billion in Bitcoin, put it in context. This is 3.3% of his $150 billion net worth. So go ahead, you have the J.L. Collins seal of approval to invest 3.3% of yours. Will I? Probably not, as I can't be bothered. I don't care. I don't have to. BT, SAX.